Top 5 do's and don'ts of cloud application security. Number 1. Pay close attention to the location and level of encryption that will be used when storing your data. Number 2. Before beginning and migrating, research your cloud security service provider. Number 3. Prefer to have full control over your cloud to make it as secure as you can. Number 4. Consider adding appropriately configured layers of security to your private cloud network to further secure your data. And number 5. Check for restrictions and pain points. Now let's look at the don'ts. Number 1. Don't be afraid to move to the cloud. Number 2. Don't forget to think about the governance of the infrastructure. Number 3. Don't be too picky. Number 4. Don't begin the project with fixed expectations for its result. And number 5. Don't keep all of your data in a single location. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.